Hey, TikTokers. This is Bobi Wine and what's your problem? Mama height. Yes, those ones. This is my first time to be on TikTok. So I want to encourage all of you families out there to follow up on your roots and teach the young ones. Okay? Peace out. Not so, Suvi?
Yes, but it's actually called TikTok.
It's called TikTok. All right. TikTok. TikTokers, give me 5. We got it. Peace out, TikTokers.
Bye, TikTok.
Okay, now, Suvi, I'm going to guide you, okay? Because you're younger. But you make a mistake, you hesitate, you forget, I swear I'm going to shower you. Okay? Kaka Titandika, Egwani, to the camera.
My name is Suvi.
Muluganda.
Oh.
Yeah.
You're joking.
Egwani.
Nyanya gange Suvi na kaishain.
Mwalawani.
Mwala ya chabela ni sentamu Robert.
Ewa.
Magede.
Oli muzukulu wani?
Mzukulu wa
Suvi.
Sentamu.
Owawa. Yebasewa.
Ayebasewa.
Kano. Kanoni. Muwa.
Kanyoni muwa.
Mugonga. And the challenge continues. Your turn.
Yenze Kyagulanyi Sekai Solomon Kampala Galinkanawa mutabani wa Kyagulanyi Sentamu atudde emutala amagere mu Kyaddondo. Muzukulu wa Jackson Wellington Sentamu Ekanoni Mugomba. Muzukulu wa Joseph Walakira Ebubule mu Mawokota. Muzukulu wa Sitere Sentamu Ekyebe mu Kanabulemu. Muzukulu wa Chicha Munyoro Essenge mu Busiro. Muzukulu wa Kamala byonna mu Mazi wa Banja Salongo Kayira Essenge mu Busiro. Muzukulu wa Nabembezi Nawanjovu Essenge mu Busiro. Muzukulu wa Kumirya Mpisi Essenge mu Busiro. Mva musigalya Sekayiba Essenge mu Busiro.
No, I'm still continuing. Oli muzukulu wani?
Nedira Mbogo era Akabiro Nderwe.
Alindako okuba omubala.
Chana cha Mbogo Senge. Anachikwatako Senge.
Omukulu w'ekikawo kyo yani era wa
Kayira
wa
Emugulu.
Sebo. Hold on, I'm the one who orders the execution. Dandika.
Amanya gange yenze Mbogo Shadrack Kyagulanyi. Tata wange Kyagulanyi Sentamu.
Bagamba ndi mutabani wa?
Ndi mutabani wa Kyagulanyi Sentamu. Abera magere Kyaddondo. Ndi muzukulu wa JW Sentamu. Abera Yebase Kanoni Mugomba. Ndi muzukulu wa Joseph Walakira. Yebase Bubule mu Mawokota. Ndi muzukulu wa City.
Hello TikTokers, this is Bobi Wine and I'm here with my family. Now this is my very first TikTok. Njagala enebere challenge. Ng'otubuulira Egwani, amanya g'abazadde bo, bajjajjaawo biki tambula ng'Omuganda ne weweddira. Any hesitation, slowing down, Mazzi. Okay? Lift the bucket.
Tugende.
Okay.
Okay.
And start.
Nze Namagembe Shalom Nalunkuma. Tata wange Chagulanyi Sentamu atudde Magere mu Kyaddondo. Jajja wange Jackson Wellington Sentamu ebaseka ni Mugomba. Jajja wange Joseph Wayakira Sentamu eyebase ki ekanalemu. Sorry, ekanabulemu. Jajja wange omulala yes Cherry Sentamu eyebase actually no.
Yeah. All right, the challenge continues and it's your time, Oprah. Here we go. No hesitation, no pausing, no stopping.
Okay.
Anything happens, water.
Okay.
Let's go.
Amazina ganje ninye Omugisha Oprah. Ndi muhara wa Muteruzi Benjamin owarubare ntungamo. Ndi mwishukuru wa Kagaju Gashom owarubare ntungamo. Ndi mwishukuru wa Sepkwenjere Misach owazikirwe Parisa Gogonya. Ndi mwishukuru wa Muteruzi Ibrahim owazikirwe ntungamo. Ndi mwishukuru wa Kagaju owazikirwe ntungamo. Pastor. Ndi mwishukuru wa Katarubata owazikirwe ntungamo. Ndi mwishukuru wa Nyakasimbi owazikirwe ntungamo. Ndi mwishukuru wa Rubambura owazikirwe ntungamo.
Omuziro gwawe niki?
Omuziro. Ndiyo mutyabakazi kandi ninzira obulungi.